you ever met some difficult friends?
Well, what do you mean?
I mean, have you ever met friends who get you in trouble? How do you deal with them?
I don't know, but I know 3E will tell you how they deal with difficult friends.
That's great. I'm sure it's interesting.
Sure, let us welcome 3E. One Story Night.
Please enjoy.
Hi everybody. Today we are going to present a Stormy Night to you. What is it about? It's about the friendship of 3 students, Henry, Izzy, and Rena. Please enjoy it.
On Friday at school. Stand up. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye and thank you, Miss Leung.
Why don't you look at the watch?
At Bill Hall, Mom and Dad are picking me up. We are going camping.
There might be a rainstorm tonight.
We've got tents.
Little did Izzy know there was a storm coming.
That's not the weather kind.
Izzy's mom and dad came on time.
Mom and Dad, let's go.
Izzy jumps in the car.
Then they left the highway. They stopped at a diner for snacks.
It must be close. Who could that be?
Another car was already there in the campsite.
Let's go.
Surprise! We have a treat for you. Izzy, Rena's here.
Rena is my best friend. I'm so glad she's camping too. Mom, if Rena is here, does it mean Henry is here too?
Henry is Rena's older brother. He is 9 and a bad show-off. He never stops teasing others. Yes, dear. Henry, Rena, and their mom are all here. Come on, Izzy. Give Henry a chance. Maybe he will grow up a little bit.
Jason was right. There's a storm coming. Hurricane Henry.
for the creek.
Henry ran up in front of them. Don't go too far.
When the children got to the creek, they skipped down in the water.
Is that your best throw? Watch this. Ouch! Move over. Look, there is a path. Let's follow into the woods.
Mom told us to stay close.
That's for little kids. Stay here if you want, but I'm going for a walk.
We asked little kid, are we?
After him.
They raced into the woods. There were trees all around.
What's that noise? What noise? I didn't hear any noise. There is again.
Rina and Ixie turned their head to see what Henry was looking at. But when they turned back, Henry was gone. The children were alone in the woods. Something was out there and it had Henry.
Ah! Help!
Henry popped out behind a tree.
Trick you!
You are so rotten.
Very funny. After dinner, the children sat around the fire.
Just as Henry was trying to scare the children with spooky stories, a strong wind. Mom, do you think it will rain?
It may, but you will stay dry in your tents. In fact, it's late. It's time for kids to go to bed.
Henry, Rena, and Izzy crawled into the tent. Just as they were sitting up their sleeping bag, the first drop of rain hit their tent.
I hope it's a wild storm.
Henry didn't say a word.
The storm hits thunder and lightning flash across the sky.
Wild weather.
Cool.
Henry stuck his head inside his sleeping bag.
What's the matter, Henry?
He's afraid of thunder.
The rain was really beating against the tent. I'm afraid. It's okay, Henry. We are here.
Suddenly, there was an old moon from outside their tent.
Someone is out there! There was a loud yell. Izzy's heart was beating fast.
What was that?
I will go look and see.
But Izzy didn't feel as brave as he sounded.
Henry put hands over his ears. He stuck himself deeply in the sleeping bag. Izzy could feel his heart in his throat. I am frightened. Bing bong, bing bong, bing. My heart is all I'm from. Bing bong, bing.
And there it was.
Something was out there, Henry. Look.
Izzy gentle picked up one very sad and very wet puppy.
Henry picked out. The puppy shook the rain off her back. He